Happy Sunday, everyone. Today we're transplanting trees. Let's go. My mom has 5 acres about 35 minutes away from us, and her acreage is established. It has a forest on it. She does not have any more room for trees, and she has several saplings that have naturally started growing on her property that she would have to take down if we didn't take them. And since our property has nothing but room and I'm trying to plant more trees on it, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity. So I am going to her property to dig up those saplings and transplant them on our property. Cloudy and dark. It gets dark here pretty quickly in the winter, so I'm going to rush to get the Doug fir planted because that's the one I'm mostly worried about. And I think I might keep the 2 big leaf maples in a pot for this year and maybe for next year and just let them grow a little bit in the pot as opposed to in the ground. But let's hurry out and get that done. for today, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments section what you do in your garden or in your outdoors during the dormant season. That's always interesting to me. This is all new, so any tips or tricks you have, I would love to hear. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Happy Sunday, everyone. Today we are transplanting trees. I just hit the mic. Oops. Take 107. What is this? It's like, maybe it's a treasure map. Maybe. I am hoping that like Ewald just stuffed all his money in the ground and one day when we're digging, we dig up like millions of dollars. That would be fantastic.
It's possible. Look around. He didn't have millions.
You know what?
He would have hired the roof out.
All the money that he saved on various screws. Maybe he was onto something. Maybe he was like, yeah, I gotcha. You know what my life has become over the last 4 years? Moving mud chunks.